How to prevent Windows 10 from restarting the computer after installing updates. This question has been answered previously, for example here, but all the answers I've seen require using a drop-down in Settings and GT, Update and App, Security and GT, Advanced Options. On my version of Windows 10 Pro, there is no such drop-down. How can I prevent automatic restarts?
The two other solutions don't seem to be working for me as those registry settings were already set on my computer. Here is an indirect solution, which is to tell Windows Update not to install updates automatically, just download them, and then prompt for installation. The user can then choose when to install them, and restart then. Go to the following registry key, kitty_local_machine/software/Windows/current version/Windows Update/auto-update. Set the options value to one of the following values. 1 equals never check for updates. 2 equals check for updates but let me choose whether to download and install them. 3 equals download updates but let me choose whether to install them. 4 equals install updates automatically. I set it to 3. Source: Microsoft TechNet Forums, How to Stop Windows 10 from Automatically Restarting, answer by MaxBack83.
Setting the No Auto Restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations code didn't work for me. I woke up this morning and my machine had been rebooted. I was using the computer last night and didn't even get a warning. This suggestion from techjourney.net looks more promising. Open Task Scheduler and navigate to Task Scheduler Library and GT, Microsoft and GT, Windows and GT, Update Orchestrator. Right-click the reboot task and disable it. Windows will attempt to re-enable the task automatically, so you also need to modify permissions on the task file. Go to c:/Windows/System32/tasks/Microsoft/Windows/Update Orchestrator. Open the properties of the reboot file. Open the Security tab and open Advanced Permissions. Take ownership of the file by clicking the change link next to the owner and typing in your name. Disable inheritance via the button at the bottom. Change all permissions to read or read and AMP, execute only.
Edit. Microsoft are going to release a way to snooze updates. The Verge. Microsoft is making it easy to stop Windows 10 rebooting your PC randomly for updates. I'm not sure if the Settings app allows you to do this anymore. I have had a look but I cannot find anything. This solution below will work regardless if you have Windows 10 Pro. In the Run dialog box, Winky plus R, type pedit.msc, without quotations, hit enter, navigate to computer configuration /administrative templates /windows components /windows update, double click on no auto restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic updates installations, enable it and click apply. Ref, Windows 10, disable automatic reboot for updates.
All the suggested hacks workaround seems not to work with the anniversary update. But there is still an option: you can periodically update the active hours in the settings. However, this is no fun to do manually, but there is a small Windows service that can do it for you. This URL